Hey, how's it going? Quick tutorial here, what we covered in class, how to get a copy of our AutoCAD templates into our own Google Drive directory. So on Canvas, the blank drawings files in the modules, we're going to navigate to this link here that goes to a shared AutoCAD drives folder, which is here. And so what we're going to do, pretty simple here, we just want to make a copy of these files and then place them into our own directory. So what we're going to do, have them all selected, we're going to right click, make a copy, creates a copy of the files, it adds it into My Drive. We will go into My Drive, and they're right there. We're going to add a new folder. We're going to call it Engineering 1, create. There's Engineering 1 folder, and what we're going to do is we're just going to take these files and we're going to move them into Engineering 1. And then what we're going to do is new folder, again, templates, create a folder inside the Engineering 1 folder called templates, and then we're going to move them into there. And if you can't drag them into there, what you can do, just like before, if we can't drag them into the Engineering 1 folder, you can right click, move to, and select templates. Both ways work, drag and drop, and then also move to. So now they're there, perfect. Last thing we're going to do with these files, we're just going to rename them so we don't have the copy of listed there. And we're going to edit each of these. Okay, perfect, all set. Next thing we're going to do is on the AutoCAD web app, we're going to be able to see our new folder there. If you haven't already added Google Drive as a storage provider on the AutoCAD web app, you need to do that. And how to do that, on that left-hand side, you see Add Storage Provider, and you can go ahead and add Google Drive as a storage provider. And now what we're going to do is we have our account here. What we're going to do is there's your Engineering 1 folder that we created. Okay, and there's this templates folder, and then here are the documents. Last thing we're going to do is we're going to open each of these documents, and we're going to change the name so that we're set and ready to go. By default, the name there is my name. And so what you're going to do is we can zoom in and out if you want to by holding the if you hold the shift key or the control key, excuse me, you can zoom in and out. Zoom in and out, hold the control key, and then the wheel of the mouse, just so you can see. And then what you're going to do is you're going to double click on your name there, or my name. We're all capital letters. You're going to type your name in, always capital letters in engineering documents, no lowercase letters. If you can fit both your first name and your last name, go ahead and do that. If you can't fit your first name in there, abbreviate it. If you can't fit the abbreviation and your last name, just put your last name. Always has to have your last name, okay? But if you can fit an abbreviation, do that. Always capital letters. Hit the checkbox when you're done. Good. Change the period if you need to, if this is a second period class. Oop. And make sure we don't move it. We're just double clicking. There we go. Edit, and then change this to 2. Good. And you're going to do that. You'll hit save. Okay. All right. And then you're going to do that same thing to each file. We'll go back to templates up here. Do the same thing for each of the other files. Change the name, changing the period, and we're all set. We'll be able to use these every time now.